Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean adjectives. So, let's start. First one is the Korean translation of the adjective to be long, and that is 길다, 길다. Next comes the Korean translation of the adjective to be painful or to be sore, and that is 아프다, 아프다. Now let's see the Korean translation of the adjective to be noisy, and that is 시끄럽다, 시끄럽다. Next comes the adjective to be uninteresting, and that is 재미없다, 재미없다. We already know that the Korean adjective for interesting or fun or funny is 재미있다, and to be uninteresting is 재미없다. Okay? Next comes the Korean translation of the adjective to be sweet, and that is 달다, 달다. Now comes the Korean translation of the adjective to be slim or slender, and that is 날씬하다, 날씬하다. Next comes the Korean translation of the adjective to be slippery, and that is 미끄럽다, 미끄럽다. Now let's see the adjective to be cool or refreshing, and that is 시원하다, 시원하다. Next comes the Korean translation of the adjective to be moist, and that is 촉촉하다, 촉촉하다. And the last one is the Korean translation of the adjective to be strange or weird, and that is 이상하다, 이상하다. So today we learned 10 Korean adjectives. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.